Imagine this, you just got paid, and for a brief moment you feel rich. But within days, your bank account looks like it got hit by a tornado. The money is gone, again. And you're left wondering, why do I always feel broke even though I earn well? Having a healthy income doesn't always translate into feeling wealthy. Here's the hidden truth. Your income isn't the problem. The real issue lies in where your money goes, how you manage it, and why your financial habits keep you stuck. By the end of this video, you'll understand the invisible traps keeping you broke, and most importantly, how to break free from them to build real wealth. So stay with me till the end. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. You're trapped in lifestyle inflation. Picture this. A decade ago, you were content with a modest lifestyle on $3,000 a month. Fast forward to today, with a higher income, suddenly dining out more often, upgrading your wardrobe or splurging on vacations feels like the norm. Do you remember the time when a $100 dinner felt like a luxury? Now, it feels like a casual night out. The more you earn, the more you spend. This is called lifestyle inflation, when your expenses grow with your income. Take Sarah, for instance. Over the years, her salary doubled, but so did her spending habits. What started as occasional gourmet dinners became a weekly ritual. The result? More money in, but also more money out, leaving Sarah feeling cash-strapped despite her increased earnings. Instead of letting lifestyle creep eat into your earnings, focus on sustainable spending habits. Ask yourself, does this expense align with my long-term financial goals? It's not about denying yourself pleasures, but about prioritizing lasting financial peace over fleeting luxuries. By curbing lifestyle inflation, you free up funds for meaningful investments and emergency savings, ensuring financial stability even as your income grows. Number 2. Comparison trap. Next, let's talk about the comparison trap. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to fall into the cycle of comparing your life to others. Whether it's friends, colleagues, or influencers on social media, seeing their seemingly lavish lifestyles can skew your perception of financial success. One of my friend Mark, who upgraded his social circle after a promotion, suddenly surrounded by peers with higher incomes, he felt pressured to match their spending levels. Keeping up appearances became a priority, leading to unnecessary expenses and a constant feeling of financial inadequacy. Remember, your financial journey is unique. Instead of chasing someone else's version of success, define what wealth means to you. Focus on personal growth and financial milestones that align with your values, not societal expectations. By freeing yourself from the comparison trap, you regain control over your financial happiness and build a sustainable path to wealth without unnecessary spending. Number 3. Rising cost of living. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the rising cost of living. From housing to healthcare, education to groceries, essential expenses have outpaced income growth in many regions. Even with a substantial salary, living in high-cost areas can quickly erode your financial confidence. To combat this, focus on optimizing your living costs. Explore alternatives like budgeting, relocating to more affordable areas if feasible, or negotiating better deals on recurring expense. Every dollar saved can contribute to your financial security and peace of mind. Proactively managing living costs, you protect your financial well-being and create room for building wealth through savings and investments. Number 4. Don't have liquid cash. Ever wondered why, despite a seemingly good income, you're always scrambling for money? The hidden culprit often lies in the lack of liquid assets, money readily available for immediate use. Many fall into the trap of spending on non-essentials or neglecting savings, which leads to financial fragility. This isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind and stability in an unpredictable world. Imagine a scenario where a sudden car repair or medical expense throws your budget off balance. Without savings or easily accessible funds, you're forced to resort to high-interest debt, perpetuating a cycle of financial strain. To break free from this cycle, start by prioritizing the building of liquid assets. Begin with a simple emergency fund, enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Automate savings into a separate account each month before you allocate funds for discretionary spending. This habit not only safeguards against financial shocks, but also cultivates a sense of financial empowerment. Number 5. Fear of taking financial risks. Fear can also play a significant role in feeling financially constrained. Whether due to past financial setbacks or general anxiety about money, avoiding investments and sticking to safe, low-yield savings can limit your wealth-building potential. To overcome this, educate yourself on investment strategies and risk management. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and seek guidance from financial advisors if needed. Remember, calculated risks are often necessary to achieve significant financial milestones. Embracing financial opportunities and managing risks wisely, you unlock avenues for wealth creation and long-term prosperity. Number 6, you have invisible expenses eating your wealth. Ever checked your bank statement and wondered, where did all my money go? That's because small, unnoticed expenses drain your finances. Subscription services, premium memberships, unused gym fees, impulse online shopping, these add up. Audit your spending like a detective. Track every dollar for 30 days. And redirect wasted money towards savings or investments. Morgan Housel writes in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. If you're not actively tracking where your money flows, it's likely slipping through cracks you never even considered. Number 7, you're addicted to instant gratification. Would you rather have $100 today or $1,000 a year from now? Most people choose the $100 because waiting feels painful. This is why most people stay broke. They prioritize instant pleasure over long-term wealth. A classic Stanford study, the marshmallow experiment, showed that kids who could delay gratification became more successful and wealthier in life. The same applies to money. Instead of blowing cash on short-term pleasures, latest iPhone, designer shoes, random gadgets, think, will this purchase make me money in the long run? Delay unnecessary purchases. Focus on assets, not liabilities, financial security, stress-free living, and long-term wealth. Number 8, you're not paying yourself first. Warren Buffett says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Most people spend first, then save what's left. But wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. If you don't automate savings, your money will disappear. A simple rule: save at least 20% of your income before touching a single dollar. Invest that money into stocks, real estate, or high-yield savings accounts. Automate savings. Pay yourself first. You'll always have money growing in the background, building your future wealth. Number 9, you lack a clear money plan. If you don't know where your money is going, how will you ever get rich? 74% of people don't follow a budget, yet those who do have higher savings and less financial stress. A budget doesn't mean restrictions. It's a roadmap to wealth. The 50-30-20 rule is a great start. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, 20% for savings and investments. Track your money. Create a simple spending plan. You'll never feel broke again because every dollar has a purpose. Number 10, you're surrounded by the wrong people. Jim Rohn said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your circle spends recklessly, you will too. The wealthy discuss investments, business, and wealth-building strategies, while the broke discuss the latest gadgets and expensive trends. Your mindset shifts towards wealth building, and you start making better financial decisions. Surround yourself with financially smart people. In conclusion, feeling financially secure isn't just about the numbers on your paycheck. By understanding these dynamics and taking proactive steps, you can shift from feeling financially squeezed to confidently building wealth. If you found today's insights valuable, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more actionable tips on mastering your finances. Before you go, don't forget to check out our financial empowering videos. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.